all you need to see is your Oreo cow.
Riot, do you want to get neutered?
All right, buddy. You have to get your balls removed today.
Stop putting it under things that this house is crazy. Go around the other way.
All you ever do is yell at me.
What did I say? No. When you change your clothes, you can get your dinner.
And so you ready to spread some love?
And then what happened?
How you mad because you ate all your dog treats? Nah, I ain't trying to hear none of that.
A lot of chicken? Oh, wow. Okay.
You cannot be serious right now.
Drop it. All right, you can come in.
Do you think that throwing a tantrum and yelling at me is gonna... Let me finish the question. Okay.